Okay, kids, I hope you all had a wonderful time at the masquerade party.
Yay!
It's getting late. You should all be getting home now.
The party's ended! See you later! Bye!
We should do this again real soon. Thank you, little elves, for helping me out with the party.
We so enjoyed it, Bob. Come on, if we hurry, we can stop by the new toy store at the mall. Oh, yes, let's do that. Grab your coats. The last one out is a slowpoke. I think Jack is the slowpoke. Oh, no, I'm not. You're behind me. I think Bob is the slowpoke. He's still inside. Hey, Bob, you're late.
You kids carry on. I have to get the house in order. Maybe I will join you later.
Ah, Bob, we'll miss you.
Have fun at the store, kids. Be safe.
Bye! I do feel bad about leaving Bob behind. But if we wait for him, the store will shut. You know, he did call us his little elves. And what do elves do? They help! If we help Bob around the house, he'll finish his chores faster and be able to come with us. But we can help you clean it all, 'cause that's what we elves do. We are the helping crew. Let's make it neat, let's make it right. Let's put these cartons out of sight, 'cause that's what we elves do. We are the helping crew. Clean, clean, squeaky clean. The dishes sparkle and gleam, 'cause that's what we elves do. We are the helping crew. Fold the clothes really nice. Once, twice, and thrice. 'Cause that's what we elves do. We are the helping crew.
Thank you, my lovely elves. My house has never looked so lovely.
And you know what, Bob? We actually enjoyed helping out. Yeah, in fact, I think I'll help my mom around the house. It's so easy and fun.
That's wonderful, kids. I'm glad you enjoyed the evening. And now, the last one out is...
The Slowpoke! I really need to have a great idea.
Are you all ready to be little elves in your house? I'm sure your mom and dad will be happy with your help. And guess what? It is fun, too. Have a wonderful day filled with joy, laughter, and learning. See you soon.